We all know that lead is a contaminant, but mostly is a poison for human consumption. And in North America and in the US especially, we have well over 6 million lead service lines, feeding 6 million households. Today we're doing a pilot project in the Montreal area for a basically lining of a lead service line going into a private residence.
Alors, la présence du plomb dans l'eau est un enjeu de santé publique et les municipalités, elles ont clairement un rôle à jouer dedans. Très rapidement, on a pris contact avec l'entreprise Sonexan et on a regardé si on pouvait travailler sur un projet pilote.
We're doing much like we do in medicine, where we're putting in a catheter inside an artery. We're using the same type of technology and also the same type of materials.
What we're doing today is a small excavation of around 4 feet by 4 feet at the property limit, just on the curb stop. We're then going to go inside the house and cut the line, the lateral, just beneath the main valve.
Chose qui est importante à considérer, c'est qu'ils ont passé toutes les étapes de validation au niveau provincial, au niveau des normes du BNQ.
We have to go through a lot of independent third-party testing to prove that the technology we've developed works and it's safe.
Our product is certified by NSF, is now BNQ, which are really the main standards for potable water.
On ne se serait pas embarqué dans un projet sur lequel on n'était pas sûr au niveau des normes et qu'on a su que ça se faisait aussi ailleurs, en Europe notamment. L'idée, c'était aussi de voir si on pouvait être la première municipalité au Québec à pouvoir le tester, l'offrir aux citoyens comme une alternative à l'excavation.
The fact that we can replace a lead service line very quickly, the fact that we can do a lot less disturbance, but most important for the city is the cost. Typically, we can reduce the cost of replacing a lead service line by 30 to 40% when you compare it to open trench methods. A lot of these utilities now are addressing the lead problems, and when you have to deal with hundreds of thousands of lead services, the fact that you can do it fast and the fact that you can save money doing it becomes a really big game changer for them.
La collaboration avec l'entreprise Sonexan a été exemplaire. La Ville de Montréal-Est a pu compter sur leur appui au niveau de la compréhension de la technologie et au niveau de la sensibilisation des citoyens.
It's part of our DNA to deal with these issues. It's part of what Sonexan is in our culture, to address problems through innovation and through what we know how to do best to deal with these problems. So when you compare open trench replacements to the techniques that we develop and we use, we're reducing considerably the greenhouse gas emissions. So we feel that we're doing our part in protecting the environment and in dealing with this global issue.